All Saints University Lango has permitted the participation of political parties in the ongoing guild government election. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to News Today on Lango News Channel.
We come to declare the process of the university guild government election.
The Dean of Students, Collins Olara said much as the university is faith-based, they cannot stop the students from belonging to a political party or being influenced by a political party, since they are raising future leaders who will participate in leadership at various levels.
A Christian-founded university, an institution that works based on the Christian values. In this case, our goal is to foster a free and fair election. We cannot go and stop people from identifying with their parties.
However, he asked the political parties and the candidates to abide by the election guidelines and the university policies.
But we ask the parties to respect the roadmap that the Electoral Commission will come up with. Of course, we are grooming students who in future will be political leaders, vying for positions in their parties. And we also invite the parties to encourage them, but to respect the roadmap of this election. And that is our goal, a free and fair election. Free and fair without any violence. That's what we opt for.
Said the guild government is very important in linking the students' body to administration and ensuring effective management of the university.
The guild government plays a role in the administration of the university on the side of the students. They are the voice for the students, and they bridge the gap between the students and administration. And they are not only the voice, but they are a force that helps to generate a working environment for both students and build a relationship building between the students and the administration body. And that is why it is very key to have an instituted guild government.
For one to be nominated to contest in any position, the Chairperson Electoral Commission of All Saints University, Ocen Amos, said one must possess proof of being a Christian, that is, having the documents of baptism, certificate, and confirmation.
As the All Saints University Lango is a faith-based, you must first present your evidence of personal relationship with Jesus Christ, and you must be a full student of ASUL or All Saints University Lango who has completed at least 4 semesters, and you must be a bachelor degree student. For the guild president, you must have completed 4 semesters, and you must be a bachelor degree student of All Saints with no retake, and you must have evidence of personal relationship with Jesus Christ.
What do you mean when you say evidence of personal relationship with Jesus Christ? Is it behavioral or the documents?
Much is concerned with behavior and backed up with the documents. We consider your behaviors. Those documents will be a baptism certificate and a confirmation certificate.
After highlighting a number of requirements needed for one to be nominated to contest in any position, Ocen also revealed the roadmap that runs from today, 25th to 4th of May. that is the date for election.
We are working hard to start our election. As the committee of the Electoral Commission, we are working hard to have a free and fair election that is free from violence, but will represent the will of the student of All Saints Lango, All Saints University Lango. So in our roadmap, we have our roadmap that will be running from 26th to 4th May, 26th of April to 4th of May, with the picking of the nomination on 26th and returning on the 29th. We'll be having open campaigns on the 30th to 3rd midnight. There will be no more campaigns accepted beyond 3rd midnight. And definitely we will have our elections on the 4th. We will have the voting on the 4th of May. So we call upon all the community of All Saints University Lango to remain calm.
All Saint University Lango was established by the Anglican Diocese of Lango in 2009, and their programs were credited by the National Council of Higher Education in 2010. For Lango News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira City.